UMP Batamai ka Congress Natura Lok Sabha Parliamentary Constituency Saleng e Sangma ulakhot yo mentirang ba kajala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kumubriu ba Shiteng Khlieh hapapan jingkan tho na halo ka jingkan no Himanta ba ki sengsan hima ki bodon hak NDA ki rem hak election MP Manipur Meghalaya bat Nagaland batrei borba ki balang Saleng uloong ba Himanta uklet ba dei mo uhi ba jukran persat niam hakiran sani lap election dak babu jingkili balai Himanta ukno ikibalang ondala syarem ka BJP Saleng uloong ba kamlong kabay ha ban kno ondala manta bat imat udan jingshitom hakabor perkhan.
Some CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about the how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay. Now, why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it, I think. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one. Because he himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against, the functioning of this particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that, that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya